Next we have is Sean Asadera. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, John Lester. Let's do it. Magkas-mata naman, di ba? Thank you so much, Lester. Next we have is Rexel and Cloud.
Sino mga pinali tayo ng love, no?
There'll always be space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe, enough time will pass. We'll look back and laugh, just don't forget it.
ready ka na, Wilmar? Request daw ng Bini. Anong Bini? Pan-tropic ko daw. Ayan. Ready ka na pan-tropic ko, Wilmar? Ayan na! Yung nila pala si Ria. Hey! Palakpakan natin, Ria. Thank you so much. Next we have Mr. Steven Fragoso. Palakpakan natin si Steven.
Joy, usap ka nga kung si Joy. Nagla-live ako. Yan.
Steven, umuwi ka rin.
Salamin.
Let's go, Steven! Yes! Cheer nyo naman si Steven! Thank you very much, Steven. Next on the list, we have Mr. Joshua Del Rosario. Wow, parang meron siyang special flower. Special bouquet.
Joy, ikaw lang yung hindi nag-address ng ano. Dapat sinuot mo na talaga yun. Alright, thank you so much, Joshua. Next we have is A. Christian Fugueran. Christian. Tignan natin.
Hit! Hit! Kailangan natin, Michelle. Thank you so much. Of course, let's have our last but not the least dance, Mr. Ken Jasper Baniga.
Para masaya. Sige.
Go, kuya! And now, we request our 18 candles. Participants, can you proceed here in the middle po? So please do get ready. Again, 18 roses, please proceed here in front for the group picture.
Sabi mo ano, say what you are, pero bago ka na. Ganon. Say what you are, pero bago ka na. Hoy, mga bakla! Ano lang ako may camera? Merang flash? Okay. Wala, gano'n. Okay, bibigyan ko. Bibigyan ka nito.
Kuya Daddy, Daddy Raquel.
Mamaya, pag walang nakaupo dito, papuin lang po dito. Wala nga yung dalawa, yung pinababo. Ito dalawa wala.
Once again, thank you very much to our Jack from Anything Roses participants. We will take your seat and let's proceed with our second tradition. Alright, so Kate has shared a part of her growing years all of us. And as Yulaka says, where there is a great love, there are always wishes. And because birthday are always a new beginning, you set goals and sending birthday messages and wishes while blowing the candle is a tradition. So may I present to you our 18 candles. So we'll start with a bang. All you have to do is to do this or to use this red carpet as your runway. Christine May Manilan. Alright, share your messages and wishes, please. Parang fresh from ano ba yan? From XP Flash.
May intro? Regalo? Regalo ni Tintin yan eh. Kaya nga yung regalo ni Tintin. Saan ba yung sa'yo? Nandiyan naman. Andyan. Hindi. Wala kasi regalo yung iba.
5 minutes.
Dapat payramin mo na.
Happy birthday, people. Merry birthday po. Message ko lang for you guys. Yeah, legal age ko na. Being adult, na sa adult ka na, hindi talaga. Hindi talaga madali for me. Kasi, for me talaga, pagdating mo college, tas nang magbibigay ka ng sasagay mo ng girl ka, doon mo marirealize na okay ka pa rin sa parents mo. Doon ka pa rin makakapsik na kailangan mo pa rin ng parents mo. Ayun. Laging tandaan na masasabi mo sa huli, tama sila mga papa. Di, 20 years old na ako. Grabe, ang dami ko na-realize sa Manila na uuwi pa rin ako sa parents ko kahit ang layo ko. Kahit Monday na. Di ko ko pala. Thank you po. So, yun na lang. Thank you so much, Ate Christy. Maraming salamat. Tinapad niya yung sabi niya na hindi siya iiyak. No? Thank you. And next we have Miss Joylyn Mariana. Let's go! Oh! Thank you! Ano pong message
Si
mo?
JJ na nagkaganyan na ng dress eh, no?
Hi, Kate. Happy birthday.
Meron ako sa ay, hindi ko. Mahaba pa na yun.
Wish ko lang sa'yo, matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. And masaya ko kasi pinayagan ko na mag-start holiday! Tapos, di ko talaga na-expect na parang magiging close tayo kasi nga, parang opposite tayo ng kunwari ako, extrovert ako, ikaw introvert. So parang hindi ko na-expect na tayo magiging close. Nagaganon. Tapos tumagal, ikaw na yung same days ko. Naiinis ako guys, pero yan, happy birthday. Sana ingatan ka ni... Jojosh pa ha! Ingatan mo to! Huwag may kalayan si... Yun lang guys, thank you! Thank you so much, Joy. Ang dami revelation naman ito. Parang hindi naman binabanggit. No? Thank you. Next, we have Miss Rona Joy Fragoso!
Ba to? Natatapat naman dito sa...
Hi, Kate! Happy 18th birthday. Message ko lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng wish
May bilbil si Joy Joy. Oh.
You really like me. Yun nga, happy
Maka-like
Thank
me
you
ka.
so much, Miss Rana. Next we have Miss Shirley Fragoso.
Oh, nangali na ako. Meron, kay Joy. Sinundan kita mula doon hanggang dito. Pero hindi ko natapos yun sa message. Ay, tingnan mo pa yung mga naunang minuto. Meron lang sabay ko sa tintin niya.
Salamat, Shar. Maraming salamat. Next we have Bristol Delgado. Wala pa. Magiging ka pa namin, Pinono.
Mga sila dito.
Thank you so much, Crystal. Alright, next we have is Miss Kathleen Vista.
Grateful for every memory we created together. I wish the family will have love, success, and endless accomplishments. May your dreams come true and your journey ahead.
Thank you, Kat. Thanks for the little kakaintindihan mo. Alright, next we have is Tiffany Camacho. Ayun, well done.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday. May your day be filled with happiness. May your dreams this year.
Ako nga, di ko rin alam ang sasabihin ko eh.
Thank you so much, Tiffany. Alright, next on the list, we have Shirley Diamond.
Hi, Sherry.
Ang ganda ng bangs mo. Ang ganda ng bangs. Ha? Matutusok yung mata mo. Ikaw lang dyan? Ikaw lang dyan? Bakit ikaw lang dyan?
Same picture, Shirley. Next on the list, we have Jamila Marame. Thank you, Jamila. Same picture, please. Alright. Let's give it up for Lesperacho. Ay, nagdagdagan sa taas. Music, please.
Pangatlo niya na yan.
Nakakailan naman yung Lester.
Pati ito.
Oo, sige na.
Ay, pa. Ito na ang message para na daw kumasa. Isang unggoy. Isang unggoy. Today,
Wala ko signal.
is a day great both joy and appreciation. As we celebrate your 18th birthday. Looking back on your together, being close to my eyes, tears of gratitude for the countless memories we have created and inspired. We can go to become. From the moment first met, I knew you were true or taken. Your kindness,